Hey, everybody, this is Dan Mountain, president of SecureTelehealth.com. We're back. We're ready to show you how to access those AI summaries of your Zoom meetings that you're doing in the healthcare world. So AI, of course, is all the rage. Zoom has a program, as do other companies, that can summarize your meeting and even go as far as pointing out what the next steps are for both you and your clients. So in the mental health space, which many of you are in, it shows when the next meeting is going to be, and it shows the next steps. So the sort of homework assignments that your clients might have to do over the week and how you're going to follow up and check in. So once you have AI summaries enabled on your account, which if you have any questions about how to do that, please reach out to us. And you can find us at securetelehealth.com and we can help get your account set up for AI summaries. But once you have AI summaries started and enabled on your account, you're going to open up zoom.com and go into your own personal settings. So I'm going to start sharing my screen and show you what that looks like. Here we are at zoom.com. If you need to sign in, you right up here, choose sign in, and then use the credentials that you use for your Zoom meeting. So if you get those from securetelehealth.com, that would be from the ones that you got from us. Over here on the left-hand side, you will see where it says settings. Or, I'm sorry, summaries. Click on the summaries, of course. And this will show you where your summaries are. Here's a meeting summary that I did not too long ago on May 9th. We're going to click on that. And this is where you will see your summary. You will see next steps. You will see what the meeting was about, who said what, and what important things are going to happen next. Now, in the healthcare space, it's important that we take care of this information and keep it protected. This, people's names and medical information is a part of this meeting, then that does become protected health information. If there's no recording and no summary of the meeting is completely HIPAA compliant as well. And none of that needs to be saved or stored appropriately. But if there is a recording or there is a summary, we do need to save that appropriately. So how do you do that? Well, if everything is here in the Zoom portal from Secure Telehealth, then you're good to go. You can look at it as much as you want and not worry about it. You can also get the summary, copy it into your EHR if that's easier for you. But don't do things like email it to just random using any sort of random email account, or don't save it, copy it into a Word document and save it as a file on your computer in a regular way. No, that's not protected in a HIPAA compliant kind of way. But the Zoom portal is, and your EHR should be. That's all for how to access your Zoom AI summary. It's pretty simple. Be happy to help you with any of that, whether it's AI summaries, recording or things, and moving on. So any questions, please click the link below and reach out. Thanks.